Roulon Brown. I am here at my studio and I want to share with you the coolest flute product I have seen like years and years and years. I'm loving this thing. It's called the Win-D-Fender. And it has a very simple concept. It goes around your flute head joint to protect you from breezes. And it also acts as an acoustic reflector to bounce the sound up into your ears when you're in really loud environments. So to show you why I like this thing, I want you to imagine that, like, you know, you're listening to a band outside and it's starting to have heavy wind. That's no big deal for the trumpets, for the saxes, for the trombones, but flutists, we have to blow all across this cutting edge to make our sound. And if there's wind in our face, it just kills the volume. Like, we're having to work 2-3 times as hard to even make the sound. But with Win-D-Fender, it blocks the breeze so that we have that good tone coming straight through into the flute. And I'm going to turn on this fan to show you this, because this was like a demo that I saw when I first saw this product at the Texas Music Educators Association. The folks that designed Win-D-Fender, they had this massive leaf blower like up high by your face, and they're like, here, try it out in this leaf blower with like 50-mile-an-hour winds. And I thought for sure it wouldn't do anything, and it did. So I'm going to try to recreate that right now so you can see what I'm talking about. I'm going to take this, turn it on high, and if I'm not in the breeze, if I'm out of the breeze, see how easy that low sound comes out? I'm going to try to move into the breeze and show you the difference in what doesn't want to speak when you're in the breeze. I have to work a lot harder. See how when I'm out of the breeze, I can articulate cleaner, I can get that tone easier. That's what happens when you have the breeze. Well, you slap on the Win-D-Fender, and it just goes on safely over the head joint. You adjust it to your mouth and your particular embouchure. It reflects so much back into your face, into your ears, and it protects you from the breeze. It's ingenious. I love it. I've been using it on live gigs, outdoor, and in loud band environments where I want to get a little bit more of a monitor in a live situation. Plus, when this is on, it works really well on close miking. So if you have a mic right here, you can just put this right up to the mic and it sounds great. It's made in the US, designed in Texas. Really, really great company. I got to meet the folks who've been designing this, making this thing happen. I'm super impressed. It's well built. It's rugged. It's going to last years and years and years. It has this nice rubber gasket material. I'm not sure what it is, but it's really soft, and it won't mar up your flute at all. I haven't had any problems with that. So Win-D-Fender. Check it out online. Also, they sell them, I guess they're selling at music stores all over now, but the Win-D-Fender is pretty hip. It's definitely like my favorite flute thing that I've seen in years and years and years, and I wanted to share it with you. I think it's awesome and an amazing tool for any flutist. If you have marching band folks, you got to do this. If you're outside playing in a live band, totally great to have. And if you're playing every night in really loud bands and you don't get the flute mix in your monitor like you want, slap this on. At least you can hear a little bit. It's going to bounce more to your ears. The same way that trumpet players put on that reflective shield, and sax players will have that on their bell. This is like a reflective shield for your flute. So I give it absolutely 5 stars. I think it's a must-have for any serious flute player who's doing any kind of outdoor play whatsoever. The Win-D-Fender, and I'm Roulon Brown. I love it. Check it out. And just because I know folks are going to ask, this is a Cannonball Mio flute. This is my Cannonball Mio. I really dig this flute. And we'll talk to you again later.